All right, YouTube. What's up? I'm here with my man's Kev.
Oh shit! What's up?
So today we're gonna install a carbon wing. We're gonna teach you guys how to do it. So stay tuned. All right, guys. So this is what we got. All right, here we go. Huh? What are you doing?
When the short string knocks.
Anyways, so we got this wing and also got. They gave me candy and stickers. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, we're doing
the backyard special tutorial.
Yeah, we're doing it in the backyard.
I think the most important thing is that the paint doesn't get messed up.
I just want to make sure.
So what are you doing right now?
Messing that joint up. So
Right now I'm just splitting it apart. So it's double-sided tape on there.
Don't do no crazy friction. Remember?
Yeah, so I'm trying not to do this. I'm going easy right now.
All right.
Just record.
Huh? I should just record.
Yeah, fine. All right, where's the tape?
It's like remember how I said like some people like try too hard. I'm like, Kev, don't use the heat gun, use your breath.
Where's the tape?
That was a good one.
Here,
you need tape.
Sit down. Yeah, because I'm gonna put tape on it to make it sure it's good.
Are the lights supposed to be on?
It's better. We get more visibility.
To try to protect the paint as much as we can.
You want to hold the lamp so while I record?
I guess.
There you go. We're all doing something.
Oh, thank you. My job here is done. Bye. They're at Costco.
I have a 360 cam.
They like
600.
yeah.
No, I wanna get the Go one though.
It's like a little stick and then it goes like this.
Which one's the one that Kevin you said you mount to the back of your car?
Yeah, that's the one. That's the 360.
Oh, how much is that one?
$3.99 I think.
Oh, see, it's much cheaper.
Yeah, I bought Gerardo GoPro.
Never
uses it. Never uses it.
I thought you guys
So you got the equipment but don't use it?
But I use it.
Dude, I'm telling you, dude, YouTube, like people, like the reason YouTubers make money is because people like to see people spend money. I'm telling you, like you went and did whatever with these cars, and then obviously, like I can't do it. But if you record it, like remember Andy was like, record it. That's money for you. It's true.
Oh yeah, you're right. There you go. Where's the wisdom?
And it's free to do.
I don't know.
You should have seen what Kevin did to mine.
What did you do to yours?
I can't show you, but he knows what he did. He's the racer wheel. The problem is, this is metal. That's plastic. So high speed friction. What does it do?
Wow.
Oh, racer wheel. Look at that.
I erased it.
Yeah, he erased the fucking thing it was on.
Call Gonzo Bill for any high performance installations.
Like this, you could have used the eraser wheel on.
Slowly lift right here, Carlos. Just kind of have your hand like, yeah, too much.
Damn, so you do have to. I don't know how I feel about you recording me all the time. So, can you imagine? It's like, hey, bro, say something funny.
All right, he hitting it with the heat gun.
Basically.
So why are you hitting it with the heat gun now, Kev?
We try to heat up the rubber
The glue.
or the double-sided tape.
You know what Kevin could have done? He could have just brought a steamer.
Oh, I do got this. You got it?
I don't know you would get that one.
It's right there.
I don't know what it looked like.
It's my backpack on the passenger seat. Hey, this is like reloaded. And it already has water in it.
I was saying, like, I feel like people like try to act different on camera. It's just like, I feel like it's like an instinct.
I think so.
Yeah, because I want to like be myself, but then I'm like, what if the world hates me? Same. I don't know. Damn. Like dropping a bomb. It's playing over there.
That doesn't sound
I don't know. So honestly, Gerard, I think with the whole like YouTubing thing, just be yourself. I think we're pretty funny. Not to like try to be funny, but we're funny.
All right, we got it off. Kevin got it off.
We still gotta clean that up, though.
We gotta clean that up, but I guess this is a new lip.
Is that block or orange?
I thought they gave you like a debit card or something.
Huh?
Beamer plug. Beamer. Where is this from? Beamer plug.
Beamer plug.
They're legit because they have
The real carbon?
Looks like it.
Oh yeah.
a.
Smell it. Smell it.
Does it got double-sided tape?
No, we're gonna need to.
We gotta add double-sided tape.
Yeah.
It fits.
F82.
It fits.
I need more light. Is it?
Right? F82 is M4.
Yeah.
This is a cute F84. 82, sorry.
Oh. So,
What did you buy?
oh, for the G80,
Yeah.
I bought a lip, the vents,
Not yellow.
the duck vents. That's what it's called. Carbon mirror caps. Downpipes. And then that's it.
This is in the box. Yeah.
All right, so we finished taking the adhesive off. Just doing that whatever black dots there is left. With the eraser wheel, it came out right off. It was super quick. So now we just have to polish where the wing was and install the other one, and then that's it.
You guys install too. I'm down.
It's kind of
Hey,
almost
pass
done.
on that one, cuz.
All right, guys, we're back. This is like day. What day are we on? I think we're on day
Is this second day?
5th. We've been struggling, but now we figure it out. So yeah, we got the tape going on right here. By the mad science, that's Jesse. What's up, Jesse? What do you have to say?
This is annoying.
Yeah. And then we got Serlos _94. Follow him on IG.
Bring the scissors.
Working on
I'm gonna lift it up a little.
turbo hats. Yeah, this is he got also a CRX coming. It is being shipped as we speak, but it's the same color. So you'll see that later. So as some of you know, I got a G82. So and then I ordered some parts. So I'm about to show you guys what I ordered. Oh shoot! I almost broke it. I felt it flat. Damn! Look. These are eBay. So you know where? You know what?
Give them how much gap.
When you come look, I think.
Just kind of don't press down on it. Just lightly put it on.
Oh, that's not.
Okay, this side's good because it will stick. All right, come look at this other side. Make sure. I think it needs to go this way a little.
Tad bit.
Tap it. Don't push
I think
down.
that's perfect.
Yeah, I think that's good. Look at the other side real quick.
Yeah, it's like, that's perfect. I'm holding it.
No, it's holding on its own because it kind of stuck a
Yeah,
little.
no, but look at it. I think it's perfect.
That's scary. Because it rips. You gotta take it off. Is it one more, right? Here, this one. You got it? Oh, and this one.
There's like one more on there, like right here. Or
did you guys get that?
No, we got it.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. And then just
It comes flying off.
Kevin never works this hard on my car.
I told you, man. Aquí se paga. It breaks. Yours actually was getting something off my car.
Damn. That needs to be clay barred.